After a few action-packed days in Hokkaido, we headed back to Tokyo. And after being up north for a few days, getting back into Tokyo just feels crazy, like someone cranked up the BPM. Definitely slowed me down after being up north, but the city never got the memo. Just having a little bike day today. Got the mama chatties, and we're raging. Right, baby? Yoko and I decided to cross Tokyo the old-fashioned way. Little help from the GPS, but not much. Just 2 bikes, and we followed some bridges and just went the way the crow flies, as they say. Got my mama chatty. We made it down to Odaiba. There's the Rainbow Bridge. There's my groovy bike. A little tip, if you come to Tokyo, the best way to see the city is on a bicycle, 100%. Are we in Ginza? No, we're in Yurakucho, which is a very low rent version of Ginza. Kiritanpo time. It's my favorite ever. Kiritanpo nabe, northern comfort food. I believe it's from Akita originally. Basically all it is rice molded around a stick, grilled, and then throw it in a hot pot. After a little kiritanpo nabe, I think it's time to go for a little drinky poo. Abushit. Yeah, baby. Get it. So, babe, this is my first time to Yurakucho, and I'm blown away.
Korakuen is under the bridge. All these tiny little places are existing since pretty much like 1950s or 60s. Some newer one, but mostly legitly
built underneath the train tracks.
You feel it every time train comes by, which is literally like every 5 minutes.
Every time the train goes by, all this stuff moves.
Shakes, yeah.
Shakes. It's unbelievable. Like, I've been many places in Japan, but this place is freaking insane, blowing my mind. And it goes and goes and goes and goes. Like, you can't see, but I'll zoom in. There's like 3 or 4 different restaurants. We got a little carried away with the drinking, and unfortunately I forgot to film when the train went by so that you could see all the stuff shaking. Anyway, Yurakucho, highly recommend going here. It's not a tourist trap. It's a place you won't see on the top 10 things to do in Tokyo, but you have to go. Okayama. Here we go. The land of Momotaro. And it just happens to be Inaba Koshi's hometown. Welcome to Tsuyama. And they're definitely proud of their hometown boy, as they should be. I'd say bees did all right. Buzz. It makes a whole lot of sense now to see where Inaba grew up. It explains why he's such a well-adjusted, humble, awesome human.
Take a look. This means like Yokoso.
Really?
Like, yeah, Yurakucho no fans. Yokoso. Special flag.
Nice.
Cool.
Just rolling down the Shukkeien right now. Pretty cool. These guys were saying there's nothing going on here, but there's a lot more happening than in my hometown. Not entirely sure where we're going, but I think it's a jinja. I'm just following the boys. It's quite the mission to get up here.
Yeah.
We're you guys scared from that music just now? I was. We made it. Just out for a little walk here in Tsuyama. It's actually the next town over from Tsuyama. Just out doing a little reconnaissance for my drone. That's gonna work perfect. Yeah, I'm gonna get that tomorrow. This is straight up rural Japan. Looks like there's a little bike path too, maybe. Interesting. Let's send it. Just on top of the venue we're playing today. There's the castle. I have a day off in Okayama, so I thought I'd go check out a park. One of the top 3 parks in all of Japan. It's called Korakuen. I need to go buy a ticket and go check it out. There's also an amazing castle here. Hiroshima.
Hiroshima Station onto Ekimidori Street.
Later that night, just out going for a little hike up the mountain to try and get a vantage point to send off the drone. It's a little bit more of a mission than I thought, though. It's super hot and quite steep. Pretty knackered, but pretty killer view. Yeah, I'm pretty knackered, but I think the view is going to be worth it when I get to the top. Been quite the mission, but just about there. Yes, this is it. Futabayama Peace Pagoda. It was a mission to get here, but I'm glad I came because we get this spectacular view.
Arrived.
I've walked through the history here before. It really is overwhelming and heartbreaking. But this time, I wanted to see how life grows around something so heavy. Hiroshima's not frozen in some tragedy. It's very alive and thriving. Can't believe there's not a soul here. It is freaking 95 degrees out and humid. Gorgeous view. Looking down from this vantage point, it's impossible to comprehend that 79 years ago, there was nothing left of this place. Hiroshima knows unimaginable loss, but it also knows how to move forward. So today I have another day off and I'm going to Shukkeien Gardens here in Hiroshima. I've been to Hiroshima many times, but I've actually never been to the Shukkeien Garden. So I guess we're gonna start over here. Let's go check it out. Everything's built miniature. Actually does look very miniature. You think I'm gonna feed them. However, you're wrong. Want some food, huh? Oh, you guys all want food. Made it to the castle. It's cool. Let's go. Made it to the top of the castle. Sweating balls. But it's pretty epic. I'm gonna go out to Miyajima for the first time ever. There's my train. We made it to the ferry stop, so we have to grab a ferry, take it across this inlet. Looks like our ferry has arrived. Hi. As you can see, there's wild deer here. And they're very friendly. Obviously, they eat well. I'm not sure you guys can eat chicken breast. Girl. And girls. He's chewing on my shirt. No. 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 You got a gross mouth. Hey, no. No. I don't think that's gonna be good for you, bud. No. The big reveal. It's low tide now. Ideally, you want the high tide, so it looks like the gate is floating. Now I am beat. It's been a full mission. I'm exhausted. But it was fun. It's just freaking 100 degrees out and humid and a lot of walking, a lot of stairs, 2 trains, ferry, 2 ferries. And I'm just getting back to Miyajima train station, and I still have to go 30 more minutes to get back to Hiroshima Eki. But it was a blast. Thank you all for tuning in again. There's one more final episode yet to come. It's going to be a good one. So stick around for that and like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey Henry, what's up, my man? Yeah, everything good? Yeah, I'm glad to hear you're doing so well. That's fantastic. Oh, really? All right, bro. We'll catch up with you soon, man. All right, take care. Bye-bye.